Here we go on Bell's brand new pirate ship. This is only 2 years old. I think it was 2023 this was built and opened here. We'll give this a shot with that. It's got an absolute stunning view. If those, what you call it, trees weren't in the way, you'd have an absolutely brilliant view of the Mournes. But here we go. Yo. I love the way it's just playing radio music. Probably gonna get copyrighted. Yo. Classy. Yo! Oh, you're getting some good airtime over the top there. That's good. Whoa. Oh! It goes really high. I think that's us slowing down now. And there we go back down now.